International Day of Women and Girls in Science, 11th February. What is International Day of Women and Girls in Science? Science and gender equality are both vital for the achievement of the international agreed development goals for sustainable development. The global community has made a lot of effort in inspiring and engaging women and girls in science. Yet women and girls continue to be excluded from the participating fully in science. At present, less than 30% of researchers worldwide are women. According to UNESCO data 2014 to 2016, only around 30% of all female students select STEM related fields in higher education. Globally, female students enrollment in particularly low in ICT, information and communication technologies. Only 3%. Natural science, mathematics, statistics, 5%. And in engineering, manufacturing, and construction, 8%. Long-standing biases and gender stereotypes are steering girls and women away from science-related fields. As in the real world, the world on screen reflects similar biases. The 2015 Gender Bias Without Borders study by the Gina Davis Institute showed that of the on-screen characters with an identifiable STEM, science, technology and engineering, mathematics, job, only 12% were women. In order to achieve full and equal access to and participation in science for women and girls and further achieve gender equality, the empowerment of women and girls, the United Nations General Assembly adopted resolution declaring 11 February as the International Day of Women and Girls in Science. Thank you. Have a happy International Day of Women and Girls in Science.